Craving that creamsicle vibe in cake form? I've got you. Orange Dreamsicle Cake. Bright, plush, drizzled in glossy citrus glaze. First, I set the oven to 350-degree Cref. I lightly mist my pan with vegetable oil, then dust it with flour so nothing sticks. Shake out the excess. Batter time. I add one 18.25-ounce box of yellow cake mix. 3/4 cup Miracle Whip. Yes, trust me. 1.3 ounces of whipped topping. 3/4 cup orange juice. 3 large eggs. 2 tablespoons of fresh orange zest. I mix on low for 1 minute. Scrape the bowl so everything plays nice. Then I beat on medium for 2 full minutes until it's thick, glossy, and fragrant. It should look like sunshine in a bowl. I pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Into the oven, it goes for about 40 to 45 minutes. I'm looking for 2 signs. It springs back when I press it lightly, and the edges just start to pull away from the pan. While it bakes, I zest a little extra orange for garnish. Optional, but it wakes up the glaze. When the cake's done, I let it cool in the pan for 15 to 30 minutes. Don't rush this. Warm, not hot, is perfect for glazing. Glaze time. I whisk 1.5 cups Confectioners sugar with 2 tablespoons of orange juice. That's it. If it's too thick, a few more drops of juice. Too thin, a dusting more sugar. I want a smooth, pourable ribbon. I flip or leave the cake in the pan style. Your call. But I spoon the glaze over the top, letting it drift into the center and cascade down the sides. It'll set in about 20 minutes, going from glossy to softly matte. Slice into that tender crumb and inhale. Vanilla citrus, like a summer popsicle in cake form. Serve as is, or add a dollop of whipped topping and a pinch of zest for drama. That's my Orange Dreamsicle Cake. Pantry simple, bakery pretty, and wildly nostalgic. If you try it, tell me your pan choice and how much zest you like, bold or subtle. Save this for brunch, birthdays, or just because. I won't judge. Take a bite, and yup, instant sunshine.